Daddy's home? Where is he?
See, Daddy, see, home?
Is he? Is he here?
No.
See, can you call for him?
Daddy! Mommy.
Yeah, don't forget your bear. Take your bear with you. Where's Daddy? Cheese. Do you know where Daddy is? Is he here or is he at work?
Home.
He's at home?
Yes.
Can you find him? Can you call for him?
Daddy!
Where is he?
See, home?
He's home. Hey, Everett, can you say thank you?
Chico, mommy.
Oh, you're welcome, sweetie.